Friends, running kimono here. So it was a bit of Christmas magic this morning over at Walgreens. I got my basket for like a small money maker, which is like amazing because it seems like a really slow week. But expect the unexpected over at Walgreens. I'm super excited by this week. First thing I do want to touch on is that if you are looking for last minute gifts, a lot of their holiday stuff is 50% off. And that's right across the board. So this is a week before Christmas. If you need some cutesy little stocking stuffers, especially beauty cosmetics, little profusion stuff, it's like really cheap right now. Last week I made a video on some free candy. You might want to keep an eye out for that. And toys 40 to 70% off. I will link that video at the very end if you wish to watch it. Hey, if you're going to the store and you need a couple extra things for under the tree or in a stocking, definitely watch this video. Tons of good information. Okay, let's hop right into the deals. So this week, the Arm & Hammer is $1.99. I stupidly thought the toilet paper and disinfectant wipes by Walgreens would be part of it. It is not. It is only the Arm & Hammer detergent. Just be really mindful, guys. A lot of these containers are 27 loads and other ones are 21, where my finger's pointed. Also, we have the little packs, if that's more your thing, and the scent beads are part of it, but my store was cleared. Definitely, there's a big difference between a 27 loader and a 21 loader, and it's all $1.99, so whatever your pick is. This is kind of a favorite, the sensitive skin one. Even if you're gifting for a baby shower or if you're having a baby, obviously this would be the one to grab. So throwing in one of these register rewards, which is a store coupon. If you look at the very top, it says save 5 store coupon at the top. Let's utilize that for this first deal. Grabbing 3 of them, that is $5.97. They're $1.99 a pop. Get the cashier to scan that store register reward. You're paying 97 cents for 3. If you're a new couponer looking to build your stockpile, this is called a very smart deal. The next deal that I think is really great, if you're going to the store and you don't want to pay a lot out of pocket, we're just going to run through these deals right off the bat. So the second one is the Garnier Fructis. They're $4 a pop. Buy 3, get a $5 register reward. Sorry guys, no tags this morning. We do have this digital coupon that showed up. There was also another coupon, but I couldn't get it to attach for whatever stupid reason. It was like $2 off. So looking at this, 3 of the Garniers, that's 12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 9. Getting back a $5 store register reward. So it makes it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this in concert with a booster, but a chance to get some very inexpensive shampoo. Now, if you look at the very top of this, this is the coupon that printed out for me. It says store coupon. So that is different than a manufacturer coupon, just to note that. But this one's a store coupon. So I'm always like, don't spend these with boosters. This is the one you don't spend. The next deal that you should do if you just want to grab the odd thing here and there is these Old Spice gift sets. Find them in the Christmas aisle or possibly in the beauty section, however your store might have them on display. So putting 2 of them into my cart, that is $20 on the nose. And there's a good amount of things in there like shampoo, body wash, a deodorant. So like a really nice gift for a guy in your life or for the male couponer. We also have this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. So make sure you have that guy loaded. Really love that coupon. So IBOTTA also has $2 back for Old Spice only. And even though it says Meyer at the front, IBOTTA rebate is valid at many stores, Walgreens included. So scroll down to the bottom to make sure that you also have it. So looking at this, 2 of those Old Spice gift sets, that's 20 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 18. Getting back a $4 store register reward, $4 back from IBOTTA. So it makes it $10 for the 2 or $5 per set. If you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're not using a booster with this deal, by all means go for it. So you're not really feeling this one so big out of pocket. And this is the $4 register reward that printed for me. If you look at the top, it says store coupon. So that's kind of interesting. I have till the 1st to use it. But yeah, it printed for me. If this guy should not print for you or any register reward doesn't print for you, go to the Catalina company, the website, and put in a claim. I will link a video at the end on how to do that if you're not familiar, but you just send Catalina a quick email with your information and they'll mail you one within a week. Open the box, there's a $6 off 3 and then a 3 off of 3 coupon valid till the end of next year. So that is really nice. I'm definitely going to remove those coupons before I gift these, but yeah, some extra coupons in there. That's why I love these gift sets. Okay, guys, so now what I'm going to talk about is the deal that I did. I used a $5 manufacturer register reward, if you look at the top, and then a 9 back when you spend 40 booster. Plus, I also had a $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 50. So the 9 and then this one stacked perfectly. So just to give you a quick peek, what did I grab? 2 of the Old Spice gift sets, 3 Listerines for $20, and then $12 of the Garnier Fructis Apple Scent Shampoo. I got 2 shampoos and 1 conditioner. So the Listerine this week is spend 10, get back 5. So that's a 50% return on investment. I got 2 at $8.29, and then I got 1 at $3.49, and that's $20.07. And I had 1 coupon to go with that, and then coupons.com also has $1.50 back. This is the one digital coupon that I had, and then coupons.com has the same one, so I'm going to have to submit to that. For the shampoo, this is the coupon that I used. That was a 3 off of 2, and today, guys, all of my digital coupons came off perfectly, so this must be my day. And then for that beautiful gift set, I had a $2 digital as well. Looking at the mathematics for this, 3 of the Garniers for $12, 3 of the Listerines for $20.07, 2 Old Spice for $20, the gift sets, for a total of $52.07. I had the booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 50. I got the cashier to scan the 9 back when you spend 40 booster. Plus, I presented 1 $5 manufacturer register reward that I had from last week. I also had $6.50 in digital coupons that came off. So with my debit card, I paid $40.57. I got back $29 in Walgreens cash, $19 for the 2 boosters, and then $10 for Listerine, plus $9 in register rewards for Old Spice and Garnier, $4 back from IBOTTA for the Old Spice as well, and then $1.50 back from the coupons.com app for the purchase of the 1 larger Listerine. For me, guys, this was free plus a $2.93 moneymaker. Remember, as you're using boosters, do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash, or it will mess everything up. Okay, guys, so these are the register rewards that printed for me this morning. If you look at the top, it says store coupon, store coupon. So just be mindful of that. If you were going to throw this into like the Listerine deal or a spend 20, get back 5, do not use these sort of coupons. It is like Walgreens cash, and that's how you have to treat it. I would buy Arm & Hammer personally this week with them. Okay, before I take off, let's have a quick little giveaway. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me your favorite Christmas movie and also tell me where you're from. For example, if your favorite movie is Scrooged and you live in Columbus, Ohio, you'd write my favorite movie is Scrooged, Columbus, Ohio, and that is your entry. The winner will be picked on Friday, December the 23rd, so close to Christmas. And it's a $10 Walgreens gift card that we're playing for today. So good luck, guys. This is completely free to enter. I pay for the card and the shipping. I know you guys love these little giveaways, so good luck and let me know your favorite movie. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.